Thank you very much. Bonsoir, madame. Bonsoir, monsieur. Ah, Liam Tigre. OK, allez. Tout le monde, allez, reste. Allez, allez, tout de suite, allez. En place. Good boy, sit down there. 20, there's a good boy. Then it will Peter, there's a good boy. Engelbert, 20, there's a good boy. Harry on the top. Harry, so turn around. Right, Syria. Up, fine, you made it. Come on, that's fun. Thank you very much. Hey, Jules Oiseau, compliment. Encore compliment. Grand applaudissement. Compliment. Come on. Je ne donne pas quand je suis ici. OK. Jules Oiseau avait un nom au moment. Come on. Peter, ici, Peter, allez, Peter de Italia. OK. Come on. Harold boy, Harold de Allemagne, Harold. Maurice de Paris. Maurice, merci beaucoup. Teddy. Ça c'est de Teddy. Oh, sautez. Teddy, sautez. Allez, sautez. Teddy, sautez. Excusez-moi. Bam. Allez, hop. Oh, merci. Attention. Sit. Oh, attention, monsieur. Excusez-moi. OK, reste. C'est très bien. Hop, voilà. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Sit down. Teddy, there's a good boy. No problems. Teddy, ici, Teddy. Merci beaucoup, Teddy. Ça, c'est Teddy de Angleterre. En place, good boy. Sit down. There's a good boy. Sit still. Wait a minute. Moments. Peter. Sable. No, Peter. Harold, quickly, Harold. Where's he? No, pas maintenant, en place. OK, sit down. No, pas maintenant, reste là. No, pas maintenant, reste là. OK, Peter, reste là. Okay, there's a good boy. Up, fine, good boy. Get it going, sir. That's up, me, a good boy. Allez, good boy. Good boy, one more. Très bien. Un, deux, et trois, voilà. Thank you very much indeed. Merci beaucoup. Now, et maintenant, mesdames et messieurs, ça c'est le fini, Jean-Claude. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Harold. No, ça suffit, hein? Sit down. No, moment, c'est ça. En place, sit down. No, Jean-Claude, ça c'est fini. Freddy, excusez-moi. No. Tournez. That's what, turn around, son. C'est très bien. Applaudissements, merci beaucoup. Merci very much. Yeah. Thank you very much. Je suis le papa. Yeah, well, je suis le chef de peluche. Jean-Claude, allez. Jean-Claude de Paris. Jean-Claude, hop, fine. Hop, great stuff. Compliment, merci beaucoup. Hop, place. Harry, ici, Harry. Harry, tout de suite. Harry, hop, pull hand. Hop, pull, hop, voilà. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Pleasure. Vous êtes le meilleur public nous avons ce soir. C'est bien. Wait a minute. Come on. Maurice, s'il vous plaît. Tout de suite, Maurice. Peter. Good boy, sit. Stable, Peter. Sit still. Come on. Harry. Teddy. Rest là. Here we go, this is right. Up, Maurice. Up, one. That's fine, good boy. Up, fine, up. Voila. Yeah. Down. Good boy. Good boy, 20, s'il vous plaît. Reste. Pete, you realize you're living today. I'm happy to say, in the good old bad old days. Maurice, embrasse-moi. Tu vas encore manger de l'ail. The old bad old days. Come on, Sam. Tout le monde, applaudissements. But when, whoa, I'd rather stay right here with the cold days than go through that. Sing to me out or you win. You lose or you win in the good old bad. And that's fine. Type of the play. Anyway, good boy. We're living on time. Allez, tout de suite, monsieur, allez. Allez, marchez, allez, marchez. Allez, marchez. Allez, allez, up here. One. There's a Maurice one. Up one. Up. Yeah. I'm happy to sit in the good old bad old days. Allez, Maurice. Allez, go on, allez. Come on, ready, up. Ready. There's a boy. Sit down. Sit up the ladder. Keep going. C'est très bien. Merci beaucoup. Alors maintenant, hey, Boris, c'est fini. Come sit ici à place. Hey! Ready, up. Allez, en place. Non, non. Hey, Freddy. Ça suffit, allez. Allez, en place. See that? No, no. Come here, son. There's a good one. Come on. Quickly. Ah, I got you this time. No. Well, one touch. Up. Fancy, have fun. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Nevertheless, I'm crazy, gotta confess about the good old bad old days. Living today, I'm happy to say, in the good old bad old days. Wait a minute. Ready, halfpenny. Ready, goed. Ready, halfpenny, goed. Pas de soir. C'est le camion, hein, la voiture. Madame et monsieur, et maintenant, madame et monsieur, c'est fou, hein? C'est stupid. Wait a minute. Ready, happening, s'il vous plaît. Pas de soir, sit on the car. Watch the gun. Ready, happening, that's it. No. Okay, ça suffit, hein? Ça suffit. Make a man. Look. Quand je dis sit on the car, you sit on. Hey! Let's listen. Everybody, come on. Come on, listen, come on. Hey. Make a man. Peter. Allez, Peter, Renee, here comes the ship. Head it. Come on. Up, right, go! That's it. That's one. Up, yeah. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Quand je dis 1, 2, 3, va t'asseoir, c'est la voix, ok? Quand je dis 1, 2, 3, allons, let's go. Allez, mon quick. C'est bien. Hop.